Hey everybody there at Hillside, my name is Evangelist Caleb Wampler. We have a global ministry called Kingdom Encounters International, and I'm going to be coming to your church on July 11th. I'm praying and believing for a day of encounter with the Holy Spirit for you guys. We have seen the Lord save hundreds of thousands of people all around the world in our mass gospel campaigns, and we believe that God is going to do a miracle working move of God right where you are as well. We are going to be praying for healing and deliverance, and just as we have seen the blind see, the deaf hear, and cripples walk all over the world, we believe God is going to do great miracles in your midst as well. The Lord is here, He's alive, and He's moving, and I'm looking forward to coming together with you on July 11th there at Hillside in Gillett.